So yesterday we learned about tone, and today we're going to learn about mood and the difference that there is a difference between the two. So this is the note sheet that I have given you that you will need to complete today while watching this video. Okay, so mood is the overall feelings or emotions that are created in the reader. So as you're reading, it's what you're feeling. The power of the pen can move mountains. Authors move their readers' moods through their choice of words and level of detail. Remember, you're writing the red text in the notes, okay? So don't forget to do that. Choice of words and level of detail. So here's a mood example. During the holidays, my mother's house glittered with decorations and hummed with preparations. We ate cookies and drank cider while we helped her wrap bright packages and trim the tree. We felt warm and excited, listening to Christmas carols, and even singing along sometimes. We would tease each other about our terrible voices and then sing even louder. So the mood is content or happy. How do we know? Because of the words like warm, excited, and glittered. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and highlight those words or color those words in the passage, warm and excited are down here in the center, warm and excited, and then glittered is up here on the first line. Okay, very descriptive adjectives used here to create mood. So here's another mood example. After New Year's, the time came to put all the decorations away and settle in for the long, cold winter. The house seemed to sigh as we boxed up its finery. The tree was dry and brittle and now waited forlornly by the side of the road to be picked up. So here, your mood is dreary or depressed. How do we know? Words like cold, sigh, brittle, and forlornly. So there's some adjectives here, there's some adverbs, and just some words that are just very kind of depressing words, and this comes after the holidays. Sometimes this is how we feel, but as you're reading this, the author wants us to feel kind of dreary as we're reading this because, the holiday season's over and, it's just time to move on. So here are some mood words, positive and negative mood words, just like we have positive and negative tone words. So cheerful, romantic, sentimental, thoughtful, warm, lighthearted, silly, mellow. And the negative ones would be frustrated, frightened, gloomy, distressed, cold, pessimistic, nervous, and envious. Envious is like jealous, okay? So add the red words to your chart, and maybe you know some other mood words that you could add to the chart, both positive and negative. So we're going to be practicing this a little bit more. You're going to do a quick check and practice on Schoology to see if you can read and figure out what the mood was that was created for the reader in the passages. So you can complete that. Make sure you submit your assignment. Make sure that your notes are complete. If not, you need to go back and rewatch the video and pause it and add those red text words to your guided notes, okay? If you have any questions, please message me. All right, bye.